to the home page for Knowlarity. Let's start by putting in the ID and password provided to you by us. As we log in, this is the welcome page, which showcases the date from 8th till the 14th, which is today. And within this time span, there have been 39 calls, the call duration, and 18 unique calls, and also the coin balance right here. If on the right hand side, you will see the last 5 calls made. Also, if you scroll down, you would see date-wise data on the number of users and the top 5 players. And if you scroll down further, you will also be able to see the agents that have answered the call, the number of calls missed, and the calls attended. Today we're going to talk about a unique solution which will talk about how do you register a missed call. So let's say a customer has called on your hotline number. So it would come on the Knowlarity number that has been provided to you. So here we can see a +65 Singapore number. As you come here on the calls and SMS section, here there is a call log section. If you scroll down, you can see all of the call logs by the time and date. You can see the person who has called us, and you can also see the agents that have answered the call. If you scroll down, also if you look on the right hand side, you will see the duration of the call, and you can actually play these calls or the phone calls that have been recorded and download the recordings as well. So if you can see here, there was a customer call missed and the duration was 44 seconds. So you can actually understand the number here. So this is the number that called, and this is the agent that missed the call, and the duration was 44 seconds. So this is essentially how our panel would capture any call missed. Again, if you see, this is the number that had called, and this was the number it was missed, that agent that missed the call. So that's it for now. Thank you.